When you take photos at high ISO levels, the images may have a lot of noise. Noise in photographs has always been there, starting in the early days with the graininess of film. A little noise is not a problem and can make a photo look more natural and realistic, but too much noise will ruin a photo. In this video, I'll show you how to minimize noise in a photo. My name is Andre, and on my channel, I describe complex functions of programs in simple language. Put a like and see more videos that will help you in simplifying your work. For the example, I prepared an ordinary photo from the internet with a lot of noise. First, we need to duplicate the photo layer twice. This can be done by pressing CTRL-J. Then press Ctrl-Shift-U to discolor the top layer. Convert the top layer to Smart Object. For the time being, turn off the display of the top layer. Select the middle layer and convert it to Smart Object as well. Next, select Filter and choose Camera Raw Filter. Open Detail and set the settings we need. You can see them on the screen. After that, you can compare the new photo with the original version by clicking on this button at the bottom. You'll see the before and after. We apply the changes by clicking on the OK button. At this point, you may already be happy with the quality of the photo, and you can leave it that way. Next, turn on the top layer and select it. Click Filter, then click Other and High Pass. You want to be able to see the fine details. Play around with this setting and pick the right one. I changed the blending mode of the top layer to Overlay. You can change the visibility level of both layers. Now we're going to improve the color part of the photo. Let's add a curves layer on top of all the layers. On the top right, click on Settings and choose Auto Options. Choose one of the 4 algorithms that we prefer. Click OK and apply the changes to the photo. Now we got rid of a lot of noise and your photo looks much better. And you subscribe to my channel. Give me a like and learn more useful features about simple programs.